What's up, y'all? So y'all, I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Y'all give me some. But I am back and I'm trying to be more like consistent with the YouTube. Basically, I am moving out my old suite and moving into a new suite. I'm still gonna be in the same building. I'm just moving to a bigger space. And that'll be it. Y'all, I just see, it's just, y'all, this man is literally like walking by and looking at me like I'm crazy. I'll be right back, y'all. So you guys, this is the room. I still haven't moved. I still gotta fix everything in here. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. So y'all, there's gonna be like a grass wall right here, and I'm gonna add like some 3D leaves up in there. I mean on it. And y'all, this is where like I'm gonna keep like my little broom up in here, and I'm gonna add all my coloring because y'all know I color hair, so make sure y'all shop Tasha B Collection. So I'm gonna add all these colors right here in the second one, and over here is probably gonna be like my bleaching stuff. Don't mind this. But yeah, this is gonna be all my bleaching stuff. I don't know what's gonna be right here yet, but so far this is gonna be my broom here and my mop here, because you know we gotta keep the floors clean. So yeah, this is gonna be the grass wall. Y'all, I don't know if I want to put my station right here or right here. I am very much stuck, but I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know where I'm gonna put everything at, but yeah. So, but yeah, this is how it is, and we're gonna see how it come out. So here is like, you know, the grass wall, and I added some, you know, some leaves on there, some 3D leaves on there. I got all this from Amazon. These right here, I got them from Hobby Lobby. This couch is also from Amazon also. This, I got that from Burlington. But yeah, I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is a mirror, and this is my station. Y'all, this is my favorite part of this room. Like, this is my favorite part. Like it is just so beautiful, y'all, and my pictures are gonna be so bomb. Like, I cannot wait to start taking pictures. But yes, y'all, and this is my second favorite part of this room. But yes, y'all, so far this is how it came out. I'm loving it so far. I tried my best, y'all. I am not creative, but I tried with this one for real.